animals, Squeak.
Thank you, Mr. Hare, for your hair-raising story. and now I will call on our guest star of the program, the pussycat with an unusual tail. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion mouse catcher of the country, Kansas City Kitty.
Sure, and I'm a champion mouse catcher and have been all my life. Faith and bejabbers, even when I was a little tyke, I was feared by all the mice. Every last one of the little devils knew the meaning of the name Kansas City Kitty.
Kansas City Kitty!
My childhood was a happy one, and I grew up very rapidly. Well, faith, not quite that rapidly. Ah, that's better. And then pretty soon I met Tom. Tom Collins by name. By and by, along came little Patrick. And then we were married. Oh, no, we were married. And then came little Patrick. Tom's business kept him away from home most of the time, so I continued on with my mouse catching. And then something happened that almost ruined my reputation as a mouse catcher. It was of a night time, and I laid down for a bit of a cat nap with little Patrick by my side. Little did I know that inside the mouse hole, those thieving little rats were hatching out the devil's own plan.
And then ipsilately category, see? Fortescue predatory right into the semifacet platypus, not forgetting to apiceritan with the 40-gear presitory in addition to the ringatroid. Because of the danger of the absator to pitara turritaditude, Fortescue predatory right into the semifacet platypus, not forgetting to apiceritan with the 40-gear presitory in addition to the ringatroid. Because of the danger of the absator to pitara turritaditude.
Why? That's murder!
What's all the hubbub, bub? Listen, Mother McCree. One false move out of you, and your kitten... And also, this. And furthermore, that. See?
I didn't know what in heaven's name to do. I was at their mercy.
Oh, shoot the shoy, but do me hoy, but. What's cooking? Shrimp?
Tain't funny, McRat. And I showed those little devils that they couldn't harm kith nor kin of Kansas City Kitty.
Thank you, Mrs. Kitty. And as a token of our esteem, here's a present for you. Something we're sure that you'll like.
Well, faith and be jabbers, Mr. Porky. Now, if you aren't the thoughtful one... The mouse, take it away! Oh, help! Take it away! Help! Take it away!
Well, faith and be jabbers.
That's all, folks.